First, I just wanted to ask you how Iris started.
Yeah, so basically I worked for an automation company. We were working with strategic accounts at the time, trying to drive specification of things like controls and other components, which was hard to do because the company that I was working for was not really recognized in that space. So at the time, machine vision seemed like a sort of a soft entry point for a lot of clients. So that was really where we kind of focused our attention, was into the machine vision space and helping to provide turnkey systems to end users. As we did that a little bit, we found that we were really a component manufacturer at the time, sort of moonlighting as an equipment provider, but really we were outsourcing most of that work to other companies. And while doing that, we realized that there just wasn't a lot of good machine vision integrators that were out there. So it seemed like a market opportunity. So I had already been with that organization for the better part of 10 years. And it seemed like someone that was willing to go and take on not only the machine vision part of it like the cameras, but also all the mechanical, all the electrical, all the programming, that there was a niche for that in the market space, especially here in the Midwest and more specifically Chicago. So left that organization, started Iris, and that was kind of when we were off on our way then, really focusing on that. And really our push with machine vision at the time, which is now coming full circle because we're starting to actually realize the ability to do that with new technology that we'll talk about later, was like we want to use machine vision to actually help people to understand why things were wrong, not just that something was correct or incorrect, because that was really just an exercise in creating scrap and making sure that bad product didn't get out to clients. But if we weren't giving them actionable information, we weren't really helping them from the perspective of putting more product out their door, also knowing that it was the right product at the same time.
Nice. Could you talk a little bit more about when you were working in your previous job, and how did you discover that there was a niche for this? Like, were you talking with customers and they were talking to you about their pain points, or how did you come to that realization?